Hi everyone, welcome to the session of mathematics. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is chapter 8 of class 7, that is drawing triangles. In this chapter we are going to study how to draw a triangle given its different measures. We know that a triangle is having 3 sides and 3 angles. So if we are given sides and angles, we will be able to draw a triangle. So there are some conditions. The first one is, if two sides and the included angles are given, that is, if two sides of a triangle and the included angle means the angle between the two sides. If these three are given, we will be able to draw a triangle. Now the second one is, if two sides and any one angle is given. If two sides and any one angle is given, how to draw a triangle. Next, the third one is, if two angles and the included side is given. And the last one is, if all the three sides are given. Okay. So we are going to start with the first one, that is, if two sides and the included angle is given. Okay. So before starting the construction, we will just draw a rough figure. Okay. That is, we will draw a triangle ABC where AB is equal to 6 centimeter, AB is equal to 6 centimeter, then AC is equal to 8 centimeter and angle A is equal to 70 degree. If we are drawing a rough figure, it will be easy for us to draw the construction. So we need the base. AB is called the base of the triangle, that AB is 6 centimeter, then AC is 8 centimeter and given the included angle. Included angle means the angle between the given two sides, that is angle A equal to 70 degree. So now we will start the construction. First we need the base AB. So this is the line AB, which is equal to 6 centimeter. This is equal to 6 centimeter. We will mark the name AB. Now we need AC. Suppose, see, if we want to mark the third point C, we need to know the position of the line AC, whether AC is like this or like this. So before marking the point C, we need to first measure angle A equal to 70 degree in order to fix the third point. So from A, using protractor, we will mark the angle 70 degree. So suppose this is the angle 70 degree. 70 degree. Using protractor, you should mark 70 degree. So this is 70 degree. That means this line C lies somewhere on this line. So in order to confirm the position of C, we need to measure from A 8 centimeters, because we are given that AC is 8 centimeter. So from A, using a scale, just measure 8 centimeter in the scale and draw 8 centimeter like this. And this is 8 centimeter. So this will be our point C. The point C. Now we have all the given information. We have constructed all the things that is given in the question. AB is equal to 6, AC is equal to 8 and angle A is equal to 70 degree. Now in order to complete this, we need to join BC. So we will get a triangle. So just draw a join BC. So this is our required triangle ABC. Okay. This is the first one, that is, if two sides and the included angle is given. Now suppose if the included angle is not given, some other angle is given, that is the second case. That is, two sides and any one angle is given. It may not be the included angle. Okay. So here we have triangle XYZ. XY equal to 5, YZ equal to 3, angle X is equal to 30. So we are going to draw a rough figure XYZ. x, y and z. So, here x, y is equal to 5 centimeter, then y, z is 3 centimeter and angle x is 30. So, here you can see that angle x is not the included angle here. These are the two given sides and the included angle is angle y, but it is not given, some other angle is given. In this case what we will do? Okay. So, first we will just draw the base xy. So, this is the base xy. Suppose this is 5 centimeter xy, 5 centimeter. Now, we have yz is equal to 3 centimeter, but we cannot mark it because we do not know which angle is y. So, we do not know which the position of the line yz. So, we cannot mark yz now. So, before that we will mark angle x 30. Okay. So, suppose using protractor from x, just mark the angle 30. So, this is 30 degree. Okay. Now, this z lies somewhere on this line. Okay, the point z lies somewhere on this line. Okay. Now, we are not given the length xz. If we are not given the length xz, but we are given the length yz, yz is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. So, what we are going to do is yz is 3 centimeter. So, from y using protractor measure 3 centimeter. Okay. Using the compass, just measure, just keep the compass on y and measure 3 centimeter in this compass, and just from y just draw a circle. We need to measure 3 centimeter on the compass, and from y we will draw a circle with radius 3 centimeter. That is, using a compass, from y just measure a circle and draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Okay. So, suppose when we are drawing a circle from y with radius 3 centimeter, it will be like this. This is a rough figure. Okay. It will be like this. That means there is a chance for this circle to intersect on this line at 2 points. At 2 points. So, either we can choose this point as z or this point as z. Okay. So, if you are choosing this point as z, we have to join this yz. This will be 3 centimeter. And if you are choosing this point as z, if you are drawing this line, this also will be 3 centimeter, because we know that from y we have drawn a circle. So, this radius is everywhere 3 centimeter. So, this will be 3 centimeter, this will be 3 centimeter. Okay. So, we got a triangle XYZ where XY is 5, angle x is 30 degree and yz is 3 centimeter. So, there is a chance for getting two triangles in this case. Okay. You can draw either one. Now, the third case is if two angles and included side is given. That is, in the first case we told two sides and included angle. In this case it is two angles and one included side. So, here we have triangle STU. STU. Naming the triangle is very important. So, STU, where ST is 5 centimeter, angle S is 60 and angle T is 70. So, here you can see two angles and the side between them, that is the included side, is given here. So, as usual we will draw the base first, that is ST. ST, which is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now, angle S and angle T we need. So, from S using the protractor mark 60 degree. Using a line we will draw 60 degree. Now from T using the protractor we have to draw 70 degree. 70 degree. Suppose this is 70 degree. This is 70 degree. Now we can see that these two lines from S and T meet at a single point. So we have to use this point as the point U. This will be the point U. So you can see the triangle STU where ST is 5, angle S is 60 and angle T is 70 degree. Okay. Now the last one is if all the three sides are given. Okay, if all the three sides are given. So we have a triangle PQR. PQR where PQ is 5 centimeter, QR is 3 centimeter and RP or PR is 4 centimeter. Okay. So as usual we will draw the base of the triangle first, that is PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. See, if we change the base also no problem. Instead of when we are naming the triangle, if you are writing P, Q and R like this, it's okay. Because according to that you have to write the measurement also. Position of the letters are not important. According to that you have to change the measurement also. So here in my triangle the base is 5 centimeter PQ. Okay. So I am going to draw PQ. Okay, this is PQ, that is 5 centimeter. Now listen, PR is there, QR is there. The other two sides are given to us, but the angle is not given. That means we are not sure about the line. The line can be like this or like this. Okay. So what we are going to do is, from P using the compass measure 4 centimeter and draw a circle. A circle or an arc. Part of the circle is enough. So from P using compass measure 4 centimeter from the scale and draw a circle or part of a circle. An arc is enough. That means this length from P to this arc, all the length will be 4 centimeter. Now let it be here. Now from Q you can see that QR is 3 centimeter. So from Q we need to measure 3 centimeter in the compass and we have to draw another circle or arc. From Q measure 3 centimeter in the compass and draw another circle or arc. Okay. So let this be the part of the circle, arc. Using compass you have to draw this. So now you can see that these two arcs meet at a point. You have to choose this point as point R. That means this arc, this arc length is 4 centimeter. I mean the distance from P to the arc is 4 centimeter and the distance from Q to R is 3 centimeter. So we got a triangle PQR where PQ is 5, PR is 4 and QR is 3 centimeter. So when we are given two angles and one included side, or two sides and one included angle, two sides and any angle, and when we are given all the three sides, we will be able to draw the triangle. So this is all about this chapter. We have finished the chapter. Okay, so hope you have understood the chapter. Please watch the video and take notes. Okay, thank you. Bye.